Hey, if you want to customize keyboard theme on your Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the system. Right now you have to go for the keyboard, select on-screen keyboard and open GBoard. Right now you've got the theme, and as you can see right here we can find some default themes. So if you click on it, you will find the preview of this theme. If you tap on the key borders, as you can see, the border disappear between the keys. We can activate this one, for example, so click apply, and that's basically how we can change the theme. But also when you scroll down we can find additional themes, and that's also the default themes, but they look a little bit different. We've got the landscapes, light gradient and dark gradient, and if you want to get any of this one, you have to click on this icon, and you have to remember to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data to download this theme. And as you can see, that's the preview, and that's how we can also activate this theme. But you are also able to add your own theme, so you can just click right here, you will be moved to the gallery, and right now you can pick, for example, this photo. You can set it up like you want, click next, and as you can see right now we can also set the transparency of this picture in the background. So for example, I'm gonna set it up like that, click done, and as you can see, that's our custom theme of the keyboard. Honestly, it looks better to turn off the key borders in my case. So we can click apply, and as you can see, it appears right here, and you can quickly switch between the themes that you set previously. You can also remove this presets by tapping right here and click yes to remove. As you can see, it disappears from this my theme section, but it's still right here, so you are not going to temporarily turn it off. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.